Hiya, welcome back, Charcoal Boys. Today, we're cooking up some Loukaniko, some Greek sausage, some Greek sausage. Now this is Mike's expertise because he's used to handling the Greek sausage, especially one around that size.
That's too big. You've never seen the Greek statues there. They don't need a big leaf to cover what they've got there.
Not like the Roman ones.
No, the Greek statues there, we're not blessed in that field there.
Oh god. So we're cooking Loukaniko, which is a pork Cypriot, I believe, sausage. It's like soaked in red wine.
Yeah, loads of herbs. What else is in there? All I know is it's pork and it's got wine in it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they smoke them. So they cold smoke them.
Extra special. Pork, red wine, spices, smoke.
Oh, there you go, smoke.
Yeah.
There's some, I pulled over a cigarette on the go.
Blowing into it.
So we kind of, like, this is normally a side dish. So like if you've got souvla going, souvlagya,
yeah,
cook some Loukaniko, some bastuma,
yeah,
and it's kind of like a dish that's on the side.
It's just an added extra.
Yeah.
The other main meal.
The other good thing with it is like while you're cooking, to eat it as the stuff's cooking. So just stick it on while your souvla's spinning round, and then you can nibble while you're eating. But yeah, I like it. I'm a big fan of sausages, to be fair, especially all different ones.
What you said about cooking it as a pre-cook kind of thing, like a lot of, for me, when I invite people around for a barbecue, I invite them around when the barbecue's just been lit, not once the food's ready. A lot of people could be like, oh, come round at this time, food will be ready. I like having people there earlier. For that reason, you put some bits on there earlier to let them snack on and give them a taste, and you snack on as you go along. It's just part of the socialising. It's not, it don't have to be just you standing by the barbecue cooking. Having it that way invites everyone around the barbecue to enjoy it.
Yep.
So, shall we?
Yeah. So we're gonna just cut up some. Basically, we're gonna have like a breakfast, right? Because it's early morning at the minute. We've got some olives. We've got some tomatoes. We've got some cucumber. A couple of bitters, Loukaniko. Got to cook them. Salt up our tomatoes. Salt up our cucumber. Some olives. Eat the bread.
That's it.
And eat our Loukaniko. So it's literally just these ones are from Lagis,
yeah.
village style. If you can get to a Greek butcher's and get the ones that they have hanging up fresh, get them because they're 100 times better.
Or there is a place in London, if you live in London, near North Mid Hospital, they actually bring them in from Cyprus, and I'm not going to lie, they're the best Loukaniko I've ever had.
Yeah.
The like, in terms of flavour, they're amazing.
Right, okay.
Amazing. I'll have to get some for the next one when I'm in London.
What's it called? What's the plug?
So, if I want to sponsor them, I can't
just plug them. Just plug them.
So, White Heat Charcoal, they're a charcoal company, and they bring over bites, halloumi, sausages, lunza. They bring over loads of stuff from Cyprus and sell it. Give them a shout. They're in North Mid. By North Mid, right down the back where the industrial estate is, you'll find them. But they do the best of the best.
So we're just going to cook them up, yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Cool. So we're just going to stick them on a skewer. Makes it easier to turn them when they're cooking. You can just stick them on top of a grill, like a griddle if you want to. Grill? What's it called?
Griddle is solid, no? Yeah, did you ever find out if the chicken was a female or a male?
What's that?
The chicken.
The one that we had? No.
Yeah.
You said it was female because it was juicy, innit?
Wet.
Okay, no, let's stop using terms like that.
Yeah, dear. Yeah, it's in trouble there.
There we go, on a skewer. Right, we're just going to salt and... Well, no, just salt. Yeah, what's wrong with this bloody salt there?
Nothing's wrong with it. Fucking hell then. Cholesterol in your hand.
Be generous with your salt. There's nothing worse than unseasoned stuff, right?
No, especially when it comes to tomato and cucumber. Don't be afraid to make it snow.
Right,
Should we get cooking?
Yep, let's get cooking. So, Loukaniko, all cooked?
Done.
Done? You put lemon on?
No, not yet, but... Oh. This is one way to describe the Loukaniko is like a Greek version of a chorizo.
You think?
Yeah, it's kind of got the spice to it, it's got a bit of a kick. Maybe your breath will be kicking after.
I'm going in my bitter, I think.
Yeah?
No. Why not?
So lugging. Yeah, we should have cut the cucumber up smaller there.
No, it's alright. Look, we stick it in.
That's what she said.
Oi. You have a bite? Bite with cucumber.
I'm going like this.
Eat an olive.
I don't think I went the right way about it. I think your way was better.
Mm-hmm. Get the tomato. Very good.
It's a hell of a breakfast, isn't it?
Mm. The only thing we're missing, halloumi.
Right.
Oh, you got some?
Wait.
He's got halloumi.
Side presser. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it is now? A halloumi and cucumber sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Your by itself.
Do you know what's even better? Halloumi, cucumber, and lunza.
No, with lunza you put tomato.
Nah,
Yeah.
cucumber as well, and the tomato.
If you eat a lunza halloumi without tomato,
Hmm.
forget it. You're missing half the fucking taste.
This is a breakfast for kings, right?
You eat this and then go in the office, and you work with people that don't eat garlic and stuff like that, they're going to wonder what the fuck that smell is. That and bastuma.
The bastama's worse, yeah.
Bastuma, oh.
It comes out of everywhere.
I'll tell you a story, right? It was a Greek Easter. We had a barbecue around one of my uncle's house. And we had bastuma, Loukaniko, pork, lamb, the lot. And then we all went out to a bar afterwards, and there was this one cousin who overdone it on the bastuma. And we're in this group, half girls, half boys, all sitting there having a drink, and he let off one burp. We just dispersed.
Yeah, it stinks, yeah.
Killed us all off.
Yeah. And it smells the same out your mouth as it does out your bum.
Yeah.
No, bastama, mate, killer.
Powerful.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, if you can get some Loukaniko, get some, try it. You won't regret it. I think it's really, really good.
If you're in a place that does Loukaniko, buy the bastuma as well. Get them both while you're there. Try them both. One's made of beef, one's made of pork. So for anyone who don't eat pork, go bastuma. Spicy as fuck. Now that's a Greek chorizo.
Yeah, I'd say that's closer to it, yeah. The flavour a little bit. Right, thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that jazz.
Is there anything else you're missing?
No.
I'm not saying food in your mouth. I'm saying for the camera.
We'll see you soon.
All right.
Hiya. Today we're cooking Loukaniko.
By the way,
On the fugu.
with the charcoal point. Introductions are his best day.
No, not at all. Hiya.